here to tell you about our FSHC 6W1 heated humidified holding cabinet. First off, what does FSHC 6W1 mean? It's a Flav-R-Savor holding cabinet, 6 shelves, wide, 1 door. Up above, we have a very simple control. You have your temperature set point here, a temperature display here, which will tell you what temperature the cabinet is at, and a humidity set point. The humidity set point is low to high, just like that. You have a green light here that shows and tells us when the heating element that's in the water chamber comes on. And then we have a 2-part float switch that this light will come on when it needs water to be filled. And once you fill it and it's full, this light will go out. To fill the water, you simply lift up on the cap like that. And now we go ahead and fill the water until the light goes out. Distilled water is preferred, but there is a quick disconnect which will show you inside that if you're using a filtered water, you can go ahead and use that as long as you keep deliming this periodically, maybe once a week. The power switch is right smack in the middle. While distilled water is preferred, if you're using a high-quality filtered water, you may wish to delime the unit periodically, perhaps as often as once a week. To do that, first, turn the unit off and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Now what we'll do is we'll remove the hose, the drain hose, from the side of the door, and we'll insert a pan to collect the water from the heating chamber. Now we'll reach in, and on the ceiling of the cabinet, we'll install that quick disconnect tube. The water will flow out instantly the minute you connect that tube. Once that water has flown out, you can remove the tube. You can fill the water fill with a solution of 25% white vinegar, unscented, and 75% water, and let it sit overnight, off. In the morning, come in and drain that water out, and then refill it, and you should be good to go. The FSH 6W1 comes with enough slides to handle 6 sheet pans. When you're setting them up, they'll have hooks which will go over the pins in the rack. You can adjust the height of these. Every 2 pins is perfect for a standard hotel 2.5-inch deep pan. So let's finish putting those in, and I'll show you how those pans fit in. Again, a hotel pan can go sideways with this W unit, the wide unit, and we can fit 2 per shelf. So while this unit is set up to handle 6 sheet pans, it can handle 12 hotel pans 2.5-inch deep. The slides are set up to capture the bottom of that sheet pan very nicely. One of the great features of the FSHC 6W1 is how easy the door can be converted in the field from left-handed hinge to right-hand hinge. Simply remove these blocks and these hinges. The hinges can be mounted here. The blanks can be mounted back over there where the hinges were removed. And the handle can be moved from this position to the lower position and flip the entire door because the magnet for the closure on this side is already there.